Best approach is to prevent the food waste. Of course, if we are not able to prevent it, somehow we need to valorize it. But first of all, we need to educate the consumers and raise their awareness to the problem, and we need to give them some solid practical guidance how they can prevent the food waste, how they can make the shopping in a conscious way, how they can handle the leftovers in a safety way in their homes, and in this way they are also able to reuse the food waste and help the environment. The general awareness is higher in special days. For instance, during the Christmas time, sometimes they made too much food, and based on this experience, they are very interested in this type of practical guidance, some tips how they can reuse the food waste. For instance, if they use shopping list, or when they go to shopping, before it is important do not have empty stomach, because in this way you will buy more than you will use in the future.
Mi imamo primer Hrvatske, njihov sistem je jako jednostavan i mi težimo ka tome da preslikamo, ukoliko je moguće, u stvari da prihvatimo ono što je u Hrvatskoj jako dobro implementirano. A pre svega nama treba taj zakonodavni institucionalni okvir i naravno trebaju nam kampanje podizanja svesti koje moraju da krenu od kuće, od vrtića, škola, fakulteta i tako dalje.